What's the meaning of brief encounter? Brief encounter. Brief encounter.
Brief encounter. Brief encounter. Brief Encounter is the title of a 1945 British romantic drama film directed by David Lean. The film tells the story of a chance meeting between a man and a woman at a train station, which leads to a brief but intense love affair. Despite their strong feelings for each other, they eventually realize that their relationship cannot continue due to their respective marriages and social obligations. Brief Encounter is widely regarded as a masterpiece of British cinema and is known for its beautifully restrained performances, poignant script, and hauntingly beautiful musical score. Its themes of love, desire, and societal conventions continue to resonate with audiences today.